Franklin Nelson, and I'll be discussing all about application letter. What is application letter? The application letter will be the most important letter one has to write in his entire life. It is a personal sales letter because of its task of selling to the future employer the personality, the qualifications of the applicant. Application letter has two lines, which is the first one is solicited letter. Solicited letter is written in answer to an advertisement. The advantage of this letter is that the applicant is certain of a job opening which the company wishes to fill. Because there are other applicants who would answer the advertisement, he has to make sure that his letter will stand out among the numerous letters that the employer will receive. The next example is, the next kind, is unsolicited letter. Unsolicited letter of application is written when an applicant is just prospecting for a vacant position in a company. He sends a letter because he assumes that there is a job opening or because he may have heard of a vacancy from a friend or relatives. Next slide, please. Now we go on to the writing the application letter. Originality is important in writing the application letter. It is not advisable to copy an application letter from a book or from the internet. The writer's personality and character should be reflected in the letter. In general, the application letter should consist of 3 paragraphs only. The following are suggestions on how to write an effective application cover letter. The impact of the opening paragraph cannot be ignored. The application should be creative to capture the interest of the entire. Next slide, please. We have 3 kinds, which is beginning paragraph, middle paragraph, and the last paragraph. Beginning paragraph has 2 kinds of opening paragraphs. For solicited letter, number 1 is source opening. When responding to a job advertisement, identify the publication in which the advertisement appeared and briefly describe how you meet each requirements stated in the ad. The number 2 is new item opening. Cite a publicized organizational achievement as a contemplated change or a new product or procedure the company plans to launch, and then link it to your desire to work for the company. Next slide, please. The next one is personalized opening. Present one of your significant parents or cite your present status as means to introduce the reason why you are suited for the job. The last one is creative opening. Demonstrate your elegance and imagination with colorful words, especially if the job requires this lending option. The next kind of opening paragraph for unsolicited letter. The first one is summary opening. Present your strongest, most relevant qualification. The second one is name opening. Mention the name of the person who is well known to the reader and who has suggested that you apply for the job. The last one is question opening. Question opening pose an attention-getting question that shows you understand the company's problem, goals, needs, and show a desire to help solve for a thing. Next one is the middle paragraph. The body or the middle paragraph should present the following: the applicant's educational background, the work experience, personal data, and last legal requirements. The last paragraph is the ending paragraph. The conclusion should be as forceful as to convince the reader to grant the applicant an interview. The application should impress him with his fine qualities and let his personality shine in the last part of the letter. Next slide. Example for solicited letter or the letter itself. The first paragraph of the solicited letter should state where the applicant has read the advertisement. The second paragraph the qualification of the applicant and the last paragraph should close with the applicant wants the employer to do about his application. The next example for unsolicited letter is the first paragraph should state the the applicant desire to apply for a certain position. The second paragraph should elaborate on the qualification of the applicant. And lastly, the applicant should make clear what she wants the employer to do about her application. To sum it all up, application letter is the most important letter that you have read in your entire life because of its meaning. You have to sell yourself